guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new makeup video for you guys, of course. Today is going to be all about my luxury high-end collection that I have. Some of them are new things that I haven't really tried. Some of them are, you know, I've already tried and I enjoy and they're part of my collection, and I just wanted to reuse all of them and dedicate this video to the luxury products that I own. They're not all bougie. There's more bougie products out there, but again, these are the ones that I own and that I enjoy. So please do like and subscribe, because this is my second time filming this video. First time around, my mic wasn't working, the camera shut off, and yeah, so I've been having some struggles with this video. So hopefully everything is up and running now and we should be good to go. So I put my hair up in a ponytail because I just hate having hair on my face while doing makeup. I just can't concentrate. So we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna start off with primer, of course, and I'm gonna be using two primers here. I've got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and this is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I'm going to be using the Tatcha one for the center of my face, where I normally get a little bit more oily, and the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer has been my all-time favorite for giving that extra boost of hydration. It is amazing. I use it every single day, and it's a really, really good lightweight primer. Next, I'm going to be adding some glow to my skin. Before I go in with my foundation, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in Silverlight, and the next one here I'm going to be mixing is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. They are beautiful together. They just give me the perfect amount of warmth and the perfect amount of glow. So for my foundation, I'm going to be going in with something really, really bougie, and it is the Mcgrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. The packaging is extremely beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's a glass bottle. It's very heavy, and I haven't even thrown away the cardboard that it comes in because this is just so nice and sturdy, and it's actually really, really pretty to look at as well. So today I'm going to be applying this with a brush, but you can definitely use your hands or a sponge. I personally like the coverage with the brush more. It is a little bit more runny, a little bit more watery, but it just gives your skin a very nice overall beautiful, youthful, sublime, smooth filter. I'm going to be going in with concealer next, and I'm using the RMS Beauty Uncoverup concealer. This is in the shade 44. I've really been enjoying this concealer. It is a very, very nice emollient texture. It is more like a balm to me, but it does have really nice pigmentation, and I just like to apply this with my fingers. It covers everything up. It just cancels out any discoloration that I have underneath my eyes as well, and it just leaves the skin looking absolutely youthful. I'm also going to be covering up a bit of my blemishes over here with the same concealer. I'm going to be using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer just to brighten up my under eyes and the center of my face. I only like to dot this onto my face because this is a very pigmented concealer, and it is a little bit more thicker than the RMS Beauty one, so this is actually going to give you a lot more coverage. So next I'm going to do a little bit of contouring, and I'm going to be going in with my Hollywood Contour Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm in the shade Fair Medium. The consistency of this product is also slightly runny and watery, but it's really, really lightweight. It is a very neutral shade for my skin tone, but that's what I like. I don't like to go too warm with contours, and this product blends out really beautifully. With whatever is left on the brush, I like to take that down my sides of the nose for a little bit of contouring here. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I have been really enjoying this powder. It is an absolutely amazing, beautiful, lightweight powder, which basically leaves your skin still looking like skin and just takes a little bit of that shine away. And I only want to keep this to the center of my face and underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going in with highlighter first, and I'm using this beautiful highlighter from Marc Jacobs. It is a beautiful rose gold highlighter. This is in the shade Guilty, and it is a very flattering universal shade, and the formula is absolutely a dream. It gives you that wet look, and you don't need a lot of this. It's also buildable, layerable. As you can see, it's giving my skin an amazing sheen. I'm going to move on to bronzing my face, and I'm going to be using another Marc Jacobs product for this, and it's the Omega Bronzer. This is in the shade Tantastic. For some of you, this may seem that this is too light for me, but honestly, I actually prefer a very neutral bronzer. I don't like bronzers to be too dark on me or too orange on me, and this is the perfect, beautiful, neutral shade. So I'm going to move on to blush. I'm using my all-time favorite, the Nars Madly blush. I absolutely love this blush. It's very fresh. It's very light. It has more of a nudie, peachy sort of an undertone, but again, it's very, very light. So it's going to leave the skin looking very fresh. I like to use this all the time because I don't like a lot going on in the center of my face. So I'm just going to apply this with a blush brush. I'm quickly going to set my face with the Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Setting Spray. Let's move on to the eyes. So for today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions eyeshadow palette. This isn't the most expensive eyeshadow palette that I own. However, I actually really wanted to use some of the tones in here. I actually really love the warm tones, and I thought that it would be very appropriate for today's look and will match with the shirt that I'm wearing, hopefully. I'm going to get started with this really nice medium brown tone right here. It's a pretty neutral shade, and I'm going to apply that as my transition. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is this orange right here. It's almost like a burnt orange. And I'm going to pick that up with the same brush. And I'm going to take this all over my eyelids. It's really pretty. Next, on a densely packed brush, I'm going to go in with this brown right here. It's like a nice, deep, rich, chocolatey brown. It has a little bit of red in it, and I'm going to apply this on the lash line. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelid. It's such a nice rusty color. I love it. I love the combination of the tones in this palette. I'm also going to take this underneath my lash line. And then just with that first brush, I'm just going to clean up the edges. Now on an even smaller shading brush, I'm going to be using the shade right here. This is a very deep, it's almost like a plummy shade. Yeah, like a deep plum. And I'm actually going to be applying it as a liner very close to my lash line. I'm also going to take this underneath here, but I'm just going to leave it on the outer corner. I'm not bringing it all the way in. And for my mascara, I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I'm kind of feeling a little bit more of a brighter lip today, so I'm going to be going in first with my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Eyeliner in Iconic Nude first. And the reason why I'm outlining my lips with a nude liner is just so that it can give me a bit of an outline to follow when I put on the bright lip. And finally, for my lips, I am going to go in with this Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Spring Break. It's a beautiful watermelon shade. I can't describe it, but I absolutely love shades like this. It's like a watermelon-y coral neon shade. I'm just going to apply it. I'm just taking this to the center. You see how neon and watermelon-y and bright and summery this is? Oh, I just love it. And I'm just taking a really tiny brush and going over the edges. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial using all of my favorite luxury makeup out there. And I'm actually really liking the orangey eyelid, you know, with the bright lip. I do like more of a muted bright lip. That's just my style. But yeah, I actually really did enjoy creating this look for you guys and playing with some products that, you know, I just put away in a drawer and I haven't taken out in months. Anyways, I'm going to end it right here. If you haven't subscribed, please do like, comment, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!